Good morning, Savers. It's just a little before 5, 70 degrees out. It's kind of chilly out here. Wow. After yesterday, it was warm. Oh, it's going to be a beautiful day. We are heading out horseback riding this afternoon and then having dinner with Tanya's parents. Let's see, got a lot of housework to do on Saturday. Just get the to-do list taken care of, and then going over some friend's house for dinner, and then we have our first Seahawks game. A group of us get together every most Seahawks games and hang out. So a weekend full of friends and just good activity. It's supposed to be a nice weekend. Simple is the theme this week. The truth is rarely pure and never simple. Oscar Wilde. That's a good one. They say the truth is simple. I don't know if anything's simple. It's just how you wrap your head around it and perceive it and utilize it. And this just blows my mind. People kind of look at me like, why do you think about stuff like this? And the answer is, I don't know. But if you think about truth, everybody has their own truth. 100 people could look at a situation and maybe something that happened and then go retell that story to somebody else. So 100 people saw an event happen, and the truth of the event is 100 truths right there. Everybody's, has different experiences, different perceptions, different everything. And they're going to see that story and interpret that differently. So they're going to tell it. So, if we think something's true, somebody else might not think that. And just kind of mind-blowing. I'd love to hear if you've ever had a situation where you saw something, or if you're married, I know you've had this situation because it happens all the time. We perceive it. This is what we think about, how we feel about it, and it's different than our spouses. So I'd love to hear if you've ever had a situation where that was true, and going to be some interesting ones added into the comments. If you're new to the channel, Simple and Savored is really about simple habits to create a savored life. And I'm actually contemplating adding another habit and building that habit around gratitude. So let me get back to you on that one. Well, Frank is not back yet, but we do have another flamingo in the front yard. There it is. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. I don't know if you can even see it. Just right. Right. Where's my finger? Right there. So I'll have to keep an eye out during the day. See if they stay around for the day or what's going on. Alright, we're off to the barn to do a little riding. Where in the world is Waldo? Well, hello, Eclipse. What are you doing outside, huh? Got a new outside pen. Tanya's gonna gather him up and bring him in. And see if we can see where in the world is Waldo. Let's see. No. Got some movement around here. Where in the world is Waldo? We are out in the mule barn area. Alton and Wanda are cooking us dinner. A feast. Alton does the magic. He says he just put salt and pepper on his steaks, but I think he put some magic pixie dust or something on there to make them taste so good. Little family time in the mule barn. Love you.
What are you saying?
I don't know.
This is, yeah, this is, if you went to summer Bible camp, you know this song. Who went to summer Bible camp? Like the cookie. Yeah. Okay, so sing us out. Okay, we're practicing. I know the chorus. So
Sarah Sponda, Sarah Sponda, Sarah Sponda, ratata. Sarah Sponda, Sarah Sponda, Sarah Sponda, ratata. And Oreo, a chocolate Oreo. I love that creamy filling in a chocolate Oreo. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. Sarah Sponda, Sarah Sponda, Sarah Sponda, ratata. Sarah Sponda, Sarah Sponda, Sarah Sponda, ratata. And Oreo. A chocolate Oreo. I love that creamy filling in a chocolate Oreo.
Oh my goodness. I don't know that I remember all of that though.